Welcome back. Resident of Borda Margao has filed a complaint against Margao police for assaulting her and forcibly trespassing in her property. Complainant says that police were helping a non-Goan named Sanjay Trivedi to occupy her premises. Now eyebrows have been also raised as why police interfered in the matter when no complaint was registered.
आणि कॉन्स्टेबल येयला आणि म्हाका हाती धरले आनी ओडपा लागलो आनी फोटोज हांवें क्लिक केला म्हणून म्हाका म्हणपाक सारकें दाखयता आनी ओडपा लागलो आनी कॅमेरा घेवपा लागलो म्हणून हांव भिले आनी भितर रावलें जाल्यार हो सांगता मरता आनी मरो भितर रावला.
पुलीस स्वता थंय लेबरांक घेवन गेल्या म्हज्या कजनाक मारला ताच्या आंगार हात घातला आनी आतां सामान ते भितर दवरून म्हजे भयणीक हाडून अरेस्ट केल्या. दिस इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ काल आमी बीजेपी पावरान येयल्या सेंटराक श्रीपाद ओमचो पावरान येयला नवीन सावयकर पावरान येयला ऑल दीस पीपल आर पर्सनली नोन टू मी एंड दिस इज वॉट वी हैव टू फेस सिटीजन्स ऑफ गोवा फ्रॉम नॉन गोवन्स. त्रिवेदी म्हणून हो एकटो मनीस सांगता आप कुछ भी देख लो हम देख लेंगे पुलिस हमारे जेब में. जर म्हज्या घरान कोण आयला सिवील डिस्प्यूट कांयच जावंक नाशिल्लें लॉ एनफोर्साची कांयच गरज नाशिल्ली. नथिंग रिक्वायर्ड देर. I would request CM Bab to put his attention into this and please get this sorted out.
The cops, I would name them, one Giren Naik who is a PSI, one Kamlakar Kotharkar who is a ASI, some two constables came here, tane laborers hadlyat and they have kept the things forcibly inside. Police have threatened everybody and seen to it that the things are kept inside. Maka ekut dista, this is only money games which is playing on. Fakat police station polisani पैसे घेतले आसपा एकता हे सोडून आनी तू कांयच आसपा शकना.
दुसरा तुम्ही किती ऍक्शन घेतले?
We have already filed a complaint and we are filing a caveat against this thing. One thing, and we are definitely 100% approaching the Supreme Court but the High Court by Monday.
Churchill Brothers have maintained their stand of opposition to the IPL-style franchisee-based Indian Super League football tournament. Chief Executive Officer of Churchill Brothers, Valanka Alemao, has claimed that the club will not release their players to play in the upcoming I.S.L. The AIFF-backed I.S.L, promoted by IMG Reliance, is scheduled to be played between September and November this year.
Much before I.S.L was even spoken about in the media, and it is the AIFF which has been pushing it for the last 3 to 4 years, and every now and then the clubs have said that we are not favouring it, and everybody knows the fact that there was something called the IPFCA and it is still there. It is an association of all the clubs wherein we had taken a call in last May 2013, where we decided that we are not going to release any players for I.S.L. So in totality, it means that none of the clubs want this particular league to even come forward. They were trying to have the I.S.L last time, sometime during September, October, November, December, somewhere during these 4 months. And even the venue was, everything was only booked for I.S.L, and the league was regarded as some stepdaughter or stepson, and as if the Super League is some super child. So everybody decided that why you should give such treatment to the existing Premier League. So we are not going to release our players. But then Mohammedan Sporting break the bond, they went against the bond, and then Mr. Srinivas Dempo, he also got some players, and it went on. But as far as Churchill Brothers stand is concerned, we still stick to it, and we are not going to release our players for I.S.L.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.